What will you do if you forget your friend's birthday? I will apologize and plan a belated celebration. Why will you practice mindfulness? I will practice for mental well being. When will you upgrade your phone? When will you upgrade your phone? I will upgrade it next year. How will you contribute to environmental conservation? I will reduce my carbon footprint. Will you learn to play a sport? Yes, I will join a soccer team. What will you do during a power outage? I will use candles and play board game. When will you visit a science museum? I will visit one this weekend. How will you handle a difficult conversation? How will you handle a difficult conversation? I will communicate openly and listen. Will you adopt a pet? Yes, I will adopt a dog. What will you do if you win a scholarship? What will you do if you win a scholarship? I will pursue further studies. Why will you start a daily journal? I will document my experiences. When will you learn to cook your favorite dish? When will when will you learn to cook your favorite dish? I will learn it next month. How will you stay positive during challenging times? How will you stay positive during challenging times? I will focus on solution. Will you attend a music festival? Will you attend a music festival? Yes, I will enjoy live music. I will enjoy live music. What will you do to make new friend? What will you do to make new friend? I will join social groups. I will join social groups. Why will you learn to code? I will pursue a tech career. When will you start a book club? When will you start a book club? I will initiate it next week. How will you stay organized in your daily life? I will use Apple. I will use a planner. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.